This is the first formal announcement of a new generation for the GX, which last saw a significant upgrade in 2010. These are our first looks at the next Lexus GX, the company's off-road expert, which will debut in 2024. FK Tech here. The photos appear to be based on the new 2023 Toyota Sequoia, featuring a brutal design with lots of sharp creases and jagged lines. The GX is expected to share the platform and hybrid V6 engine of the Sequoia and Tundra pickups. The GX has been redesigned for 2024 and comes with an upgraded interior with a boxy exterior and a new, good-looking exterior design. The new 2024 Lexus GX 550 looks completely different from the outside and has been completely redesigned inside. It has a larger touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and second or third row seats. Third row seating is standard on premium and luxury trim levels, and the Overtrail SUV has a 2-row, 5-passenger configuration. The new 2024 GX finally gets its best look thanks to Lexus' latest teaser, see above. Images of the long, rugged-looking, mud-jumping SUV suggest Lexus will step up its off-road side with the next iteration of its frame-by-frame midsize model. More details will be provided when Lexus releases official information this week. The rear of the 2024 GX SUV can be seen in the sharper teaser image shared by Lexus, with full-width LED taillights, square D-pillars, and a wide shoulder stance. We're excited to premiere the new mid-luxury sports in-store on June 8 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. The new Lexus GX is on the road. The 2024 GX was revealed today by the Japanese luxury brand, and the facelift is the full-size SUV's first major update since the current version debuted in the 2010 model year. The 2024 is presented as a teaser image of the last decade. The Lexus GX has a modern, sleek new design that takes the SUV into the 2020s. The GX's lighting can be seen in 2 teaser images, including angular and sharp headlights. They sit under a muscular, sculpted hood and are complemented by strong-looking wheel arches. We see the GX getting sleek, full-width taillights with integrated Lexus badging on the back. The original Lexus axle grille shape appears to have been maintained, and the current Toyota Sequoia design philosophy is permeated throughout the vehicle. Lexus said the new SUV is coming soon and did not provide details along with photos. The GX will be built on the same TNGAF platform as the Lexus LX, Toyota Land Cruiser, Tundra and Sequoia, which are not sold in the US. The GX will ditch the V8 for a twin-turbo V6, the same iForce Max hybrid unit used in the Tundra and Sequoia. Even with the 2024 GX's downsized engine, it should retain its on-frame design and impressive off-road performance. At launch, there will be a GX 550 model with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 that produces 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Hybrids come later. Already popular among off-road and cross-country enthusiasts, the Lexus GX midsize SUV will look like the Lexus Mercedes G-Wagon version by 2024. The new blocky, square exterior highlights its robust frame structure, advanced all-wheel drive and Land Cruiser roots, and the new 2024 GX 550 also offers a special new off-road trim level called Overtrail. Built on the larger Lexus LX platform, the new GX is significantly larger than its predecessor. In fact, it's only an inch shorter than the LX in most dimensions and has the same wheelbase, which makes me wonder if Lexus plans to offer both models in the US. Currently, the Overtrail is only offered as a 2-row, 5-seat option, but most GX variants come standard with a 6 or 7-seat third row. Gone is the side-opening back cover, replaced by a traditional power cover with a separate opening glass section. Row 3 seats can select the power folding function. The 4 initiative discs with the bottom range are the same as the central point and blockage is the same as the difference. GX 550 standard powertrain is a 3.4-liter V6 engine, a double turbo and an automatic gear. It's the same engine found in the Toyota Tundra, Toyota Sequoia, and Lexus LX600, and it produces 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque in a GX 550. Lexus claims a combined fuel economy of 17 miles per gallon, up slightly from the old V8 GX 460 16 miles per gallon. Lexus has said it will launch a hybrid at a later date, and we expect the unit to have a similar configuration to the Tundra and Sequoia's iForce Max, with slightly more horsepower and slightly better fuel economy thanks to the electric motor. Suspension: the GX has independent front suspension and a solid rear axle with the same setup as the LX. The Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, KDSS, allows the front and rear sway bars to be separated, but is now electronic. Adaptive dampers are standard. Surface upgrades include a locking rear differential, 18-inch wheels, and 33-inch tires with skid plates. Comment with which car you think is better than this Lexus GX. Thanks. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button below.